Welcome to HTMLG, the best online HTML editor toolkit and converter. In this video, I'm going to give you a general overview of this free online tool that can be used in your web browser without downloading and installing any program. This is the user interface. It has a what you see is what you get editor on the left that works like Microsoft Word or any other rich text editor. Preview and adjust the HTML code on the right. The visual and the source editors are linked together, and the changes you make are reflected in the other one in real time. Below you'll find the tag manager, the HTML cleaning options, the editor settings, find and replace tool, a color picker, the tag filter, and the tag attribute filter. Copy your frequently used code snippets from here, generate lorem ipsum gibberish text here, and adjust the style sheet of the visual editor in this panel. There's a hidden secondary editor that gives more options to compose the text. You'll find a detailed explanation about this and about each section later. Each section has a help icon in the bottom right corner that explains how to use them. Customize your desktop, moving your frequently used panels to the top and closing the ones you don't need. Use the demo content to experiment with the program. Try to make changes on the left or on the right to see how the other side changes. Play with the cleaner, the tag manager, and other panels below. To convert PDF, Microsoft Word, Excel, or any other visual document to HTML, all you have to do is paste the text in the visual editor and you'll get the markup instantly. Taking content from another website works the same. Highlight and copy-paste the text. When you have not the visual document but the HTML code, go ahead and paste it in the source editor to see how it renders. This tool requires a basic understanding of how HTML code works, but it's still the easiest way of composing error-free document and automating conversion and cleaning. It's also a good tool for learning to use HTML markup. This was a general overview. In the following videos, I'm going to present each section individually in more detail.